Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to start on a project that will take us about 2 or 3 classes, and we're going to make, repeat after me, abstract portraits like Pablo Picasso. Good job. Now, Mr. Picasso was inspired by the shapes he found on African masks. Some of the shapes you might notice in here are much bigger eyes that are sort of wide, much longer noses, and then lots of bright abstract accents, designs, patterns, and colors. So we are going to be drawing abstract portraits like Pablo Picasso. One more time. Excellent. Now, so to begin drawing our abstract portrait, we're going to be taking up the whole paper with the head. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with a U shape. Say it with me. And one thing I recommend to do is before you put your pastel down, you imaginary draw on top of it. So everybody imaginary draw with me a U shape. Now wait till I say go. I'm going to start my U about right here. It's going to come down really far like this, and then it's going to come over here. After I make my U shape, I'm going to draw 2 lines up and down to illustrate a neck. Now, would a neck really be this skinny? And would a head really be this big? But it's abstract, so it's okay for us to make it look different. Go ahead and draw the U and the 2 lines. Show me when you're done by putting your head down. Try not to run your hands over your paper because it will smear the pastel. Next up in our design is going to be the nose, and we talked about how Mr. Picasso was inspired by African masks. They always had really long, almost like an L-shaped nose. Now you can make your nose go either way you want, but it's going to start really almost up at the top. It's going to come all the way down, and then you can add a little bit of differences to it. So I'm going to cover mine in like this. Make this line a little bit curvy like this. So that's my nose. Go ahead and add yours in. About 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, eyes back up here, artists. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead while we're here, we're going to put a little mouth. Now, obviously, our mouth is going to be much smaller than our lips. For my mouth, I'm going to make a straight line. I'm going to put the bottom half right here, top half right here, but it is up to you how you make your mouth. Go ahead and add yourself in a mouth. Okay, class. Bubbles in. Now we're going to move up to our eyes, and our eyes are going to be very big and very wide. So I'm going to start with a shape like this. Then I'm going to add in another one. I'm going to actually move mine a little bit. I'm going to make this one up a little bit higher because Pablo Picasso did that quite a bit. And then I'm going to add in just a few details on my eyes. You may want to put eyelashes. For me? Thank you, Griffin. Oh, that is so sweet of you, buddy. I love it. I got a flower. Okay, now back to Picasso here. You could add some eyelashes if you wanted to. A few small things. You might want to add some eyebrows. And now we're going to get a little bit fun here. Maybe one of my eyebrows is going to be a zigzag line. And maybe my other eyebrow is going to be just a really big eyebrow. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and add in that part, eyes and eyebrows, and then give it a little pause with your head down so that I know when you're ready. Give you about 2 more minutes. Class, even if you're not done, I need you to pause and put your eyes and ears up here. Using our oil pastel, you are going to add in some designs. Kindergarten, yeah. Thank you. Another flower. You are going to add in some patterns and designs around. So for example, I might come right in here and put some stripes. Maybe in here I'm going to put some dots. Oh, is this from you? I love it so much. Thank you. Cooper, look how pretty that is. Thank you so much. Maybe over here I'm going to put some design right here. Maybe over here I'm going to add just a few dots. Maybe up in here I'm going to put some stripes. Maybe in here I'm going to put some dots. Now we're also going to be adding some painted in patterns. So you don't have to draw out everything you want, but you can put some things down here. However you'd like it to look. And when you're finished, I want you to put your oil pastel back into the blue box. Put your head down so I know you're done with this step. Capiche?